234 is a 1976 Porsche 911 Turbo Carrera US prototype. From the year that the Porsche legend began in the US, but this car is one of the first four delivered stateside alongside chassis 11, 12, and 13 for press purposes, EPA testing, and so forth, although contrary to the catalog, it was not one of the first to delivered to the US. Better finished in every regard than the standard turbos to come, this one was done in oak green metallic over black watch tartan, a great color combination. This is a genuine piece of history from the all-important year 1976, and it's the prototype of that.
The best bit, Alan, which you forgot to mention, is that interior. The tartan interior is the coolest interior in any car, bar none, trust me. What do we say, ladies and gentlemen? Telephones are coming through and live. Let's open bidding here at $100,000. Plenty of inches on shore. 100,000, 125,000, 150,000, 150, thank you. 175, thank you. 200,000, $200,000 on bid already. 225 if you like. 225,000 on my right. Plenty of interest in this car, I know. 250,000, thank you, sir. À 250 000, l'on fait avec toi. À 250 000, you'll have $275,000. Bids on my left, selling all the way. $275,000. Donc à 275 000, est-ce que j'ai 300 000 $ pour la Porsche Turbo? That's 275. I've got you at 275. I take it you're in at 275, Barney? At 275,000. I've got you at 275,000. I have your bid. I don't know where you had it. I've got your bid at 275. Yes. Sorry? Matt, where is he? 300? 300,000? What's he saying to me? Can we have a chat, Matt? 285. Thank you for the translation, guys. At 285,000 then with Malabar. At 385. Do I have at 285? Do I have 300? Let's put it plus on in. No? Well, I'm selling. It's going for the first time at $285,000. It's going for the second time with Malabar at $285,000 for the third and the last time, ladies and gentlemen. Well, 300,000. Donnie's bidder. I don't know where. If you are here, Sam at 300,000. 310 if you like. 310 if you like. I've got 300 here. So I have 310. Well, at 300, selling all the way. It's going for the first time. At 300, it's going. 310 with Malabar, thank you. 310,000, 320 if you like now. At 300, this is the most confusing car in the world. At 310 with Malabar, at 310, 320 if you like. At least I'm enjoying it as we go along. At 310, well, it's going for the first time. It's going for the second, for the third, for the car with the coolest interior in the whole world. Are we all done? All finished? Sold your car in the back there. Well done. 310,000. 8516, 310,000.